Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. Right now you'll see that I have VS Codium open, and you may notice that my font is a little bit different. Okay, I'm using the Hermit font, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install that for all your Linux apps on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to install and set up software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I want to do is open up a terminal. Okay, let me maximize this and get my font size increased so you can see what I'm doing. And all you have to do to install the Hermit font is type sudo apt install fonts-hermit. Hit enter. Okay, that's gone ahead and installed the Hermit font, so I can now close this out. I'll leave, and it all depends on how you set this up on each app that you use, but let's say I wanted to use Hermit font on the Pulsar text editor. I'd open up Pulsar. Okay, and once Pulsar is open, I could do Control Comma to open up my settings. I can go to my editor here, and if I go down to font family, just on the left here, I'll just type in Hermit, and there we go. It changes to the Hermit font, and now I'm using the Hermit font on the Pulsar text editor. So yeah, once you've installed the Hermit font via the terminal, all you have to do to get it working on an app is just restart the app so it recognizes that the font is installed, and then set up the font through the settings. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like, as that would help me out a lot. Thank you.